Alright, here's the situation. I've got this mining machine. We're looking for unknown and known elements with a bit of a change in the way things are done. That's half of the manual. And if you flip this document over, that's the other half of the manual. This story takes place in Alaska, science fiction version, and they're looking for Flightstone. That's the unknown one. This one here takes place in the Northwest Territories in Yellowknife, and that's called the known one. So it's tactical stuff. They're stealing diamonds in Yellowknife, and they're stealing gold there up in Alaska.
I just want to get stand in front of the machine. What? Get rid of this. Get the pop in there. Get the pop.
Now you see what I've got here on the walls is the two different stories. As you can see, chapter 1 of the unknown one, which is in Alaska, starts there, and then above it you have chapter 24 in Yellowknife. So what's happening is I've mapped out the chapter sequences like this so I can follow them, because the same 33 characters are in both novels. And over here they continue, and over here they end and begin. So it's 24 chapters of both stories going around in a circle. And the pages above and the pages below are simultaneously in every second chapter. You've got things like Northern Lights, Glorias, just phenomenon of nature. And below, given that it's an AA-based theme in the unknown one, we've got what's referred to as crystal moments. So there's 12 crystal moments and 12 of these rare earth conditions that kind of highlight each chapter. What I've got here is there's the complete manual for the unknown one, and it relies heavily on the Holy Bible. And over here is the complete manual for the known one, and it relies heavily on a document from Alcoholics Anonymous, often referred to as the Blue Bible. So here I've got each chapter is laid out from 1 to 12 going this way, and then from 13 to 24 going along this way. And you'll notice in my chapter headings I have this unique format for time. There's a code in there. And then if we go over to the known one manual, it's 24 chapters as well. It runs from this side down 1 through 12, and then 12 through 24 this way. And over here I have the combination document, which is a coin novel. So the unknown one and the known one, two different novels, and in between, what I call at intersection points between the two novels, chapter intersections, I have some political landscapes. I'm requesting portraits of people to replace these, so there's room for 50 portrait positions, double-sided, to replace the political landscapes. I've got 24 examples of what they call God contemplations in Alcoholics Anonymous, just different issues. So in the known one, I'm comparing God values versus gold values over in the unknown. If you'd like to support my campaign, I'll send you one of these postcards here. This one is the Flightstone experiment there, a floating object, and the that's a very high nickel content stainless steel sword through a pure copper cube, and there's an elliptical taper running right through that thing. That was $7,000 worth of milling on that. That was my third attempt at making one of these co-expansive swords. So anyway, there's a postcard for $5. Or here's another postcard. This is a 5-ton load of powder sweeps fines of precious metals and gold, delivered from a company 300 miles north of Whitehorse. I thought I'd read a little excerpt from the unknown one. This is how they steal gold in a refinery. They put this U-shaped stainless steel tube full of AAA batteries inside, and you get a field, and the precipitate cakes out there, and it's about 80% gold. They change these once a week and maybe make 25-30 grand. Anyway, that's how they steal gold. But an excerpt as well here from the start of the unknown one, the introduction. An invitation to the Ketchikan Gateway Borough, electric blueprint for a major gold heist, and the promise of a bizarre trip through the top of the world madhouse with 12 kick-ass monarchs from the hinterland. Abandon your old life and come to Flightstone. Come now. Hurry on up here to these time-worn-down mountains surrounding Lake Iliamna, where America is sessile to the subconscious of Alaska. The magic sparkle on the shore of Iliamna is the gold city of Flightstone. Its motto, Semper Ambulo Ubi Semper, always walk under always, rings clear. Clarity in this: get underground, hide. Hell is coming from space. The advanced partition embedded in the last frontier. Lisa Pandemonium. So anyway, that's the introduction to the unknown one. I thought I'd give you a little sense.